Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome back to Top Listen for You. Dear friends, as you know, we are discussing about the organs which are present in the abdominal regions, right? So up to now we have covered about the organs which are present in the right hypochondric region, the left hypochondric region, the epigastric region, the right lumbar, the left lumbar and the umbilical region. Now I'm going to record about the organs which are present in your right iliac region, hypogastric region and left iliac region. So let's know about the organs which are present in your right iliac region. So if you haven't watched the lectures regarding the organs which are present in these upper parts of the abdomen, so I will give the links of each video in the description of this video. You please go and watch those lectures to have a clear concept of these organs which are present in your different abdominal regions, right? So let us discuss about the organs which are present in your right iliac region. So friends, this is our right iliac region. Okay, in the first video regarding the abdominal regions, I have told you, I have discussed about that how we create these regions in the abdomen, what are these vertical lines and what are these horizontal lines and what is their location, how do we draw them, right? I have shown all these. You please go and watch that lecture if you are watching for the first time, right? So let's go towards the organs which are present in your right iliac region. So the first group of organs that we have in our right iliac region, they must be the digestive organs. So which digestive organs are found in your right iliac region? Digestive organ. Yeah, if you want to have a clear concept, please watch the video till the end to have your knowledge clear, right? So the digestive organs which are present in your right iliac region is some parts of your small intestine. Look, your small intestine turns towards the right iliac region, the last parts of the ileum. So we say that some parts of the small intestine is present there. Small intestine. Okay, the next thing that is present there is called your cecum, right? The first part of your digestive system, the first part of your large intestine, which is found in the right iliac fossa, is called right iliac region is called the cecum. So we see our cecum there, cecum is found there. Then we know that there is our appendix. This is your appendix which is lying in your right iliac region. So there is appendix, right? So these are the three digestive organs which are found in your right iliac region, right? Then the next group of organs that we can find here are the endocrine organs. Are there any endocrine organs present in right iliac region? Endocrine organs. Okay, so the group of endocrine organs that we see here in the right iliac region, listen to me carefully, my dear friends. If this is a female, right? So in your right iliac region, you will find the ovaries of that female which are present here. So we say that ovaries play their role in the endocrine activity of the female's body, right? So we say the endocrine organs which are present in the female, in the right iliac region of the female, that is your ovary. But in case of male, there is no endocrine organ in the right iliac region, right? So I will say here, I will write here, in case of female, you have your ovary. Which ovary? Right ovary. Right ovary is found in your right iliac region. Why? Because ovary plays its very important role in the endocrine activity of the female's body and the female reproductive system, right? So endocrine organ in case of male, in case of female there is ovary, but in case of male there is nothing. I will write it. In case of male There is no endocrine organ found. None. Right. And then we go towards the third group of organs that are found in here are called the excretory organs. Are there any excretory organs present in your right iliac region? So my dear friends, there are no excretory organs found in your right iliac region, right? So we just say none of the excretory organs are present in your right iliac region, right? As you can see, I am dividing all those organs. If we write all these organs in one line, that will be a little bit complicated, right? So we say what are the digestive organs here. It will be easy in understanding, right? And remembering what are the endocrine organs, what are the excretory organs, and then what are the lymphatic organs which are found there. Lymphatics or lymphatic organs. Friends, I had told you in the previous videos also that there is a big difference between lymphatics and lymphatic organ. So here we don't found any lymphatic organ in our abdominal cavity. The lymphatic organ, there are two lymphatic organs which are found. One is spleen here and one is present in the umbilicus region, as I told you in the previous video, right? So no such lymphatic organ is found in your abdominal cavity. So we say there is no abdominal organ present in the right iliac region, right? Then we go towards the reproductive organs, the fifth group of organs that are called the reproductive organs. Are there reproductive organs in right iliac region? Yes, we have reproductive organs, but the reproductive organs of female are present here, but not in case of male, right? So we say, look carefully, if there is female, right? So which organs of the reproductive system of the female will be present there in the right iliac region? So female will have her right ovary, right? As you can see here, the right ovary, and the next thing that is the right fallopian tube is present there, right? The right fallopian tube, right fallopian tube is present in the right iliac region in case of a female. But in case of a male, there is nothing, my dear friends. In case of male, there is no reproductive organ found in the right iliac region, right, friends? So this was the detail of the organs which are found in your right iliac region. So what organs are found here? Digestive organs, we have written here. Endocrine organs, in case of female there are the right ovary, in case of male there is no endocrine activity, there is no endocrine organ in the right iliac region. And then excretory organs we don't have here, either in case of male or in female we don't have. Lymphatic organs, none. Reproductive organs, in case of female you have the right ovary and the right fallopian tube, but in case of male there is no reproductive organ found here in the right iliac region. So let's go towards the left iliac region and see what other structures are found in your left iliac region. See you in the next lecture.